Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I have created this Glassmorphism effect. Okay, so let's get started. I'll take the Android large frame here. Okay, now I need a background image here. Okay, that's it. Now I'll draw a frame for this to create this form here. Okay, the height should be 475. Okay, that's it. Now the fill color should be black. And the opacity, let's make it 25% or okay, 20 or maybe 31%. Okay, 31%. Okay, now I want this top two corners to be rounded. Okay, so for that I'm going to click on this one and make it 20. This corner to be 20. That's it, done. Now I'll add a background blur. Okay, to add background blur, by default you'll get this drop shadow here. We don't need it. We want this one, background blur. Okay, that's it. Now make it 30, 13, sorry, 13. Okay, that's it. Now I'll copy this two text here. Just click and hold on Alt key and then move it. Okay, this will be duplicating this text layer here. Okay, that's it. Now I'll create this frame, this field here, okay? Okay, I'll check the height and width here. 307 is the width and 45 is the height. That's it. Now make it little bit of, okay, let me add fill first of all, then I'll be adding the corner radius. Okay, that's it. Just 8, not too much, okay? And then you need to reduce the opacity of this also. Yeah, 24% is fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay. Let me reduce it a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, 19%. Okay. Now I'll duplicate this text layer here. Okay. And then I'll write it as, let me check the font size I have used here, 12. Okay. Now should be enter your name. Okay, and I'll copy this icon also. I have got these icons from uh, SVG repo. Okay, so you can get that from the plugin. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, make sure the distance between this is 4. That's it. And here it should be somewhere around 20 looks fine. Okay. Now I'll duplicate this layer here. Okay. Enter your email. Enter your email and I need this icon here. So simply you need to, copy this, just Control plus C and then paste to replace. That's it, done. Okay. Okay, next is the create a password. I need this icon here. Paste to replace. Okay. Let me copy this once again. Okay, done. Now I need this eye icon also. So I'll just hold on Alt key and then place it over here. That's it. Now I need the same field here to create the confirm password field. That's it. Now I'll create this button here. Rounding, just add a fill so that you can understand like how much you are rounding the corners. Okay, yeah, I guess 6 is fine. Little bit width I'll increase here. Let me check how much I have added here. 50 is the height. 50, I'll make it. Okay. I think I can make it a little bit less because it's, yeah, fine. This looks fine, I think so, right? Okay. The text color, I'll make it black. It should be semi-bold. Sign up. Make it center. Okay. Done. Okay. So I think I need to increase this font size a little bit. Okay. Okay. This looks fine. So yeah, that's it. This is ready. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have got any doubt in creating this one. Okay, if you find any problem, let me know in the comment section. I love to guide you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.